Guys, imagine AI and blockchain merging together to revolutionize and reshape the future. Now, this isn't a distant vision, guys. It is happening right now. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out 3 different websites for this video, and we will be starting with Singularity Finance. So this is a leading evolution of decentralized finance through the integration of artificial intelligence. So by developing an AI-powered layer 2 network, the platform enables the tokenization of real-world assets such as the US Treasury bonds, transforming it into a digital token on the blockchain. So this approach is actually enhancing efficiency and automating asset investing and broadens accessibility to financial services. Now, guys, one by one, almost everything is being transferred into the blockchain. So make sure that you do not miss out on any of this one. Now, Singularity Finance is redefining how traditional assets interact with blockchain technology and offers a seamless bridge even with the conventional finance DeFi. Now, of course, I would strongly suggest, guys, that you do your own research and make sure to check their website out. There's a lot of information that would be very, very helpful for you. If you could click on this docs right here, it will take you directly to this, wherein you will get a lot more information that talks about who Singularity Finance is and what they do, as well as what they have in the pipeline for their roadmap. All right, so go ahead and check out Singular Finance. The next one that I have for you guys is the Elysium. Now, in the gaming sector, the Elysium is setting up new standards by integrating AI into AAA blockchain gaming experiences. And as a standout in the GameFi industry, the Elysium leverages AI to create dynamic, personalized gaming environments that adapt to player behavior, ensuring more immersive and engaging gaming experience. So by merging the cutting edge AI with blockchain technology, it's always deadly, guys. I mean, it always makes a whole lot better and makes a lot of impossible things possible when you combine artificial intelligence with blockchain. The Elysium is pioneering the next generation of decentralized gaming, where intelligent game mechanics enhance user interaction and engagement. So guys, go ahead and check them out. There's a ton of information here in their website. You would see 1.4 million plus have already used the Lucy Apple wallets. More than 2.6 million transactions have already been recorded, and they have more than 23,000 plus Lucy beta whitelist and user requests per day. They have infinity. Oh my goodness. You could go ahead and check them out, guys. You have the products right here, Lucy, YKILY network, and the ecosystem is also here. This will definitely help you out in getting more information about the Elysium, who they are, and what they have in the pipeline is gonna be in their website. So go ahead and check them out. And then last but definitely not the least, guys, this is the mind of Pepe. So it takes a novel approach by combining AI powered tools with the meme culture. So this innovative project features an autonomous AI agent that analyzes complex market data and delivers real-time insights and actionable intelligence to its community. Now, by fusing AI-driven analytics with the playfulness of meme coins, guys, Mind of Pepe introduces a fresh and engaging way for crypto enthusiasts to navigate the market. Now, I would, of course, strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out their website. That way you would get more information about who they are and what they do. You have the about here, you have tech map, and right now they are doing their pre-sale, guys. I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions. They have already raised more than $6.5 million out of their target, which is $7.45 million. Guys, make sure to do your own research. Make it quick. That way, when you decide that this project is for you, you could still purchase it at the lowest possible price and get the most profit out of your investment. Look at this, 348% staking rewards. Guys, by the way, I am a fan of staking. So when I am invested into any of the projects and I don't have any, plans of selling it or just swapping it anytime soon, I would stake it. That way I could get rewards out of the tokens that I have with a project. And that is also one thing that I would suggest that you explore, guys. That way you could earn passive income from your investments as well. So this will be in the description of the video, guys. That way when you do your own research, you could just go ahead and check out the description, click on it. It will take you directly to the website with no problem. So guys, in this video, we discussed 3 different AI projects that you could explore. Make sure to do your own research. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.